guys, thanks for stopping by. It's Queen Karma. Today we're going to be doing a demo and review of the Tomicca nails tip kit from Amazon. As of right now, it's $18.99 and I love how this product was packaged. As you can see, everything is neat and organized, nothing's out of place, and even the nail tips are well packaged. Under the nail tips are the instructions for the lamp and the cord that goes with the lamp, and it's the Type-C cord, which is very exciting since that's kind of what all of my electronics use nowadays, so it's just easier to have a universal cord. But very simple instructions, and of course the lamp that is my absolute favorite for doing the Aprés dupe method. Now the builder gel is actually 15 milliliters, which is a lot. It's not as thick as I thought it would be, but then again the tips are pre-etched, so it might balance out the thickness of the gel. Okay, so if you're not gonna watch any other part of my video, you need to watch this part because this is literally what makes this kit just awesome. I have to use so much force to try to indent these tips, and even when I do, the nail tip just flings right back. Like, look at that. The white crease gone, and the nail literally just comes back to life. It's amazing. So the strength of the tips are there, and of course the durability is there because of the pre-etching. Then you also have a variety because you get the coffin and the stiletto tip, so I think that in itself just puts this kit, you know, over the top. I like the length of these tips. I think that they're just right, and you can even cut them shorter if you wanted to, but I really enjoyed working with this kit. Here I am just applying the tips as you would the Aprés dupe method. I'm also just applying how it instructs to in the manual. One thing that I will note with this one is they ask you to first coat your nail beds with their gel glue prior to adhering the nail tips, so that's something that you want to be wary of, but it's just a very simple method to do, and we'll just go ahead and fast forward this until we do the nail design. Oh wait, before we do that, I forgot to mention that the ad or the link says that it has 20 different sizes and tips. It actually only has 10. It just allows for you to choose between the almond shape or the coffin shape, so it's not 20 sizes in total, it's 10 sizes in total with 2 different options per size. So alright, so for my design, I'm just using my good old VENALISA paint pots, and I chose 4 numbers that were consecutive to each other so that I could stay within the same family. And I'm just going down the row of colors with my nails, and for my index finger, using the lighter shade, I use that as my base, and then I highlight the area around it with another color of the same family. With this one, you really want to take your time with shaping the nail and essentially drawing on it, and not being afraid to use acetone to kind of clean up around the areas that you want to keep and taking away the areas that look ugly. So that's what I'm doing here, and for the rest of the video I just pick out some charms that I like to put on, and I use the gel that comes with the kit as a rhinestone gel or charm gel, and I opted to do this because they advertise that their nail glue is a 4-in-1 type deal. So anyway, that's it for the rest of the tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and I'm so thankful you stopped by. Thanks.